everybody, it's Irene here. Welcome back to Hijinks Studios. Today we're going to do a straight pour on a Dolphin and give it some embellishments with some beautiful luxe powders. So we'll start with the cup, and in here I've got phthalo blue, and to this I'm going to add a bit of this Atlantic blue luxe powder from Win Modern Art. It is glorious, look at that. So we're going to add a bit of this to give it a bit of sparkle. And we're just going to mix that up, just so the blue's got a little bit extra kick in it. Don't know if you can see that, but there's a bit of sparkle in there. I might put a little bit more in actually. And we'll just mix that up. Alright, can you see that sparkle? Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to do the rest of my pour into this cup. So I'm now going to add some titanium white. Some black. Well, it's actually grey. It's from some scraped off paint. So a bit of black. Then a bit of straight floetrol. Then we're going to add some phthalo green. And then we're going to add some more white. Alright, I'm not going to stir it or anything, we're just going to pour. Let's see what our dolphin looks like. Actually, might just do it there, do some there, bit down here, across the tail. Down to his nose. Alright. Now we're going to tilt. So here comes the fun bit. Just run a bit down there. Out a bit. Oh, still didn't get down there. Come on, you. Go back over there. Oh, a bit more. How's this tail going? Alright. We might give it a bit down here. Got some of that tail, sorry if you can't see. And he's gorgeous, look at him. He's looking beautiful. We might just touch up there. Go along our edges. Make sure he's totally covered. In a bit. Get to the tail. Okay, so that's it for the painting part that I can see. Hopefully I've got all those edges, but I'll check that later. I'll be back in a minute and we'll do some more embellishing and put some more sparkly shimmer into our dolphin. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. And now we might do some embellishment. This is called Fire Rain. And this is another one by Win Modern Art. So they're beautiful. Have a look at the different colours you get. And I thought, I might just add a sparkle along his back. That when it looks like he's jumping out of the water, all the water is running off of him and he sparkles in the sunshine. So let's just try a bit of that along his back, shall we? And that's just gorgeous. And look at the sparkle in that, and it'll change its colour no matter which way you look at it. And I might do a little bit of Chantel's Comet, which is another of Win Modern Art. This is this beautiful blue. It's got blue green in it, which is perfect for our little guy here. I don't want to put too much. I'll just do a little across the tip. Can't see where it is. Come on. You watch me just pour it everywhere. That just adds that gorgeous sparkle. Maybe a little bit down here. It's beautiful. And to finish off, might just put a, oh, do we need any more? It's so hard to know when to stop. Might just make that line a little bit more definite across here because it's not quite so definite. And I've got a little bit of Opal 2.0 from Win Modern Art as well. And this is just a gorgeous opally shine, white with opal specks through it. And I think he deserves some on his belly. There we go. And I think that's it. I think we're done. Alright, I might just get a tool. Might just spread this a little bit. There we go. That's a bit better. With the paint. Give this a bit of a spread as well. You can pick some up. There we go, and there he is. What do you think? Do you like it? I think he looks gorgeous. This marbling looks beautiful on him. It just, you know, looks like the water's just beating off of him. I'll bring you down for a closer look. Okay, we're back. Sorry about this. I've got to take the whole light because it's night time and I can't see what I'm doing. So let's have a little closer look, shall we? Hang on a minute. See if I can't get this a little bit closer. So once he's dry, I'll give him a coat of resin and he will sparkle and shine. I can't wait to see this in the daylight and out in the sunshine. He's going to be gorgeous. He'll look spectacular on somebody's wall. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've got any comments, throw them down in the box below and I'll answer them. Okay, see you guys soon.